is a nest. Everybody needs a house, and we humans aren't alone. Here is a nest. Even birds need a place where they have a little space. Here is a nest. They may find a bit of straw or something else that they saw. Here is a nest. A bit of grass, a bit of string to build a nest fit for a king. The nest is the best to keep the birds warm. The nest is the best, keeps the birds away from harm. The nest is the best, so the birds can sleep at night. The nest is the best, it just seems right. The nest is the best. 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 Birds may use little pebbles or some stones. They shape their nest like cups, balloons and cones. Birds may use some feathers. They use some sticks. Dried up mud becomes like bricks. The nest is the best to keep the birds warm. The nest is the best, keeps the birds away from harm. The nest is the best, so the birds can sleep at night. The nest is the best, it just seems right. The nest is the best. 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 The nest is the best.
Beautiful world of birds. Nests. Like us, birds also need a home to live in. The home of a bird is called a nest. Before building a nest, the bird pair decides where to build the nest. The next step is collecting materials and carrying them to the building site. The final step is construction. Birds build nests to lay and hatch eggs, protect their eggs and nestlings from enemies, protect themselves from harsh weather. Nests of birds. Sparrow. It makes its nests in houses, trees, or any other protected place. The materials it uses to make its nest are mainly grass, leaves, straw, and cotton. Tailor bird. It sews its nest with its beak. The materials it uses to make its nest are thread, wool, and vegetable fibers. Vulture. It makes its nest on high trees. The nest looks like a shallow cup. The materials it uses to make its nest include sticks and twigs. Woodpecker. It makes its nest in tree trunks. It uses its chisel-like beak to make a big hole in a tree trunk. This hole is used as a nest. Weaver bird. It uses grass and twigs to make its nest. The nest is strong and big. The entrance is at the lower end of the nest.